Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Gian has two fair spinners, which means they're unbiased. Spinner A is three-sided and can land on 1, 2, or 3. Spinner B is five-sided and can land on 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. Gian speaks in spinner once. He adds together the number of the spinner A and the number of spinner B to get his total score. Complete the table to show all possible total scores. 5 of the total scores have been done for you. So we can see that here 1 plus 2 is 3. So all we have to do is complete the table. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 10 is 11. And 3 plus 10 is 13. Find the probability that Gian's total score is an odd number. So to find the probability, it's simply the number of times it occurs over the total. So we can see here that the total is simply 3 times 5. So that is 15. We know that the total times this can happen is 15 no matter what, since we have a table here of exactly 15 numbers. Now, the number of times is how many odd numbers there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 possible times. So the probability is 10 over 15 or 2 over 3. Gian's total score is less than 9. Okay, so we simply do this again. We know that the total is 15, and we count how many are less than 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's about it, just 8. Because it's less than 9, it's not equal to 9, so we don't count this number. So 8 over 15 is our answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.